Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Knickerbocker. The Knickerbocker first appeared in Jerry Thomas The Bartender's Guide back in 1862. For those that have been following along on the vlog for some time, this may be familiar because I've already done it before. But I want to recreate it because not many people have actually watched that video, and I did the essential syrups guide, which includes raspberry syrup, which I'll link to right here. And also this is a damn good drink. So I want to do it again now that I've got some more subscribers so that people can actually see this drink and make it at home because it's delicious. So this particular one, I do have a little bit of a riff on it. So generally it's made using a gold rum, I believe a Santa Cruz from the Virgin Islands. I'm going to use a spice rum just to make it a little bit different from my last video. Otherwise it's going to be a little bit boring for those who've already watched it. So this recipe calls for 60 mils, 2 ounces of your gold rum or your rum that you have lying around at home. It's still going to work. It's still going to make a damn good drink. It's just not 100% authentic. Followed by 15 mils of your dry Curacao. So half an ounce. I'm using PF Iran. You can use Cointreau, you can use triple sec. There's other options there. Followed by 30 mils, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 15 mils, half an ounce of your house-made raspberry syrup. Fill your glass with ice and give it a quick shake. So fill an old-fashioned glass with ice and then strain over the top. And for garnish, this one's pretty obvious. Fresh raspberries. So there you have the Knickerbocker. Unfortunately, I don't have a short straw. So this is going to have to do, because it's got crushed ice, it's going to be a little bit difficult to sip out of, but this is a really good example of how to use your raspberry syrup. I could have made a clover club, but I've made it in the past as well, and very recently, actually in a couple of videos, one in my gin compilation videos, but rum, raspberries, and the dryness of that Curacao works really well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.